Hi people, I thought I will show you a little bit of what I'm doing while I'll take you with me on my plans for my workspace in the Upcycle Center. And while I do that, you'll see me cutting some party flag pieces, because what I intend to do in Almere is create a place where sustainability becomes available for everyone. And what I've learned in my experience in working in non-profit and stuff like that is that if you want to make an experience available to everyone, you have to start with including the people who are not so far. Which means, in the case of the Netherlands and stuff, and also in the case of my own talents and preferences, that you pick like a target group you work well with. And in my case, that is the insecure, the lonely, the mentally unstable, the people looking for hope and joy, but whose brain works differently than most people, and therefore have learned that they are somehow wrong. Which of course they are not. But yeah, you cannot sometimes stop how a person feels. And that's why with the opening I'm giving you the workshop for the party flags. Because with these flags everybody can join the quilting revolution. And everybody can contribute to making a quilting party. Because the good thing about how I teach quilting is that everybody can find a way in which they match with the technique. For example, one person is very good at picking colors and another person is very good at working precisely. If you put them together, you have a quilt with beautiful colors that is made precisely. Nobody has to know everything, and for every skill there is something that can be done. These flags symbolize, and also these flags are very nice for a group project, because each member of your group can make a flag. One person can combine them, or you can combine them as a group, and you have a very, very big party thing showing how much everybody is part of the quilting party. Also, by making the quilted party flags from upcycled materials, it's a way to also include people who have passed. Because you can make party flag out of their clothes, so even they will be present in the moment. These party flags you see here are made from like reflecting protection shirts, because I found them. I like the effect of the orange and the silver, and these ones can be gone in the rain without any problems, so that's why I'm making them. But you can also make them from the clothes of your dearly beloved grandmother who passed on, for example. So, that are my plans with the workshop in Almere, or at least part of the plans. Of course, I will share more about it in the coming weeks, but I thought it would be interesting to take you with me on a little bit of the process of quilting while I share with you what I'm doing. And you also see that making party flags is not that difficult actually. So keep an eye on my website, and you can find the opening ticket, and if you buy the opening ticket, you get access to the party flag workshop in my community for only 10 euros. You may even pay more, but the minimum price is 10 euros. And with those 10 euros, I will buy materials to make this quilting place a Valhalla for everybody who is introverted and wants to learn. Because now I'm even cutting with the scissors I don't like, and it's very tough on my hands. I don't have good pins and stuff like that. So, yeah, help me, help others, and help me help you by creating a party for everyone. Society stress would be our treasure.